So, so what I did, guys, was I put a squirrel on my computer on YouTube, and I just played it for Rocket, and she just ran over to the computer screen. Did the squirrel stop? I think the squirrel's done. You want to play the squirrel again? I'll play the squirrel. See, there's a squirrel. There's Metters. I'll see what happens. See if she stops it again, because she stopped it herself. Okay. Matt, look. Look, Matt. Okay, squirrel is not her favorite. Bird, on the other hand. Oh, you smart kitten. All right, Matt. Back up. Thank you.
Searching for family vacations? Find it with Vrbo. They search millions of amazing vacations.
There we go. There you go, Matt. Matt, where's the bird? No, the bird is not underneath the computer. Matt, where's the bird? Matt. Matt. Look. Hi, Days. Days, Matt, it's not real. Not real, babe.